Binance and Coinbase are two highly popular crypto exchanges and trading platforms for beginners and advanced traders alike. While they both offer similar services, some traders might find one more suitable for their needs than the other. Hi, I'm Nate Martin, and we're going to compare Binance and Coinbase in today's 2-minute comparison. Binance is currently the largest crypto exchange in the world. It has very low trading fees, large trading volume, and a wide variety of supported assets. While the platform can be a little overwhelming for beginners, they do offer simplified features for newbies, including instant purchases and a convert function without all of the candlestick charts or order books. Binance's global exchange is headquartered in the Cayman Islands and Seychelles and unfortunately does not serve U.S. customers. Instead, U.S. users are restricted to Binance.US, a smaller version of the exchange that has fewer features, lower trading volume, and supports fewer assets. Coinbase, on the other hand, is based in the United States and is highly compliant with local laws and regulations. This makes it a safe and trusted option for traders around the world. Coinbase tends to be a little more beginner-friendly, with a streamlined broker service that makes it easy to buy crypto with a credit card, bank account, PayPal, or even Apple Pay. Coinbase also offers Coinbase Pro, a trading platform for more advanced traders. Trading fees on both Coinbase and Coinbase Pro are typically higher than those on Binance. In fact, they can be up to 6 times higher. Both Coinbase and Binance offer similar additional features such as staking and a crypto-funded debit card. Binance, however, offers a top-notch derivatives trading platform, as well as its very own NFT market, neither of which are offered by Coinbase. On the other hand, Coinbase is the only platform of the two that offers fiat cash loans using Bitcoin as collateral. In summary, if you're brand new to crypto, Coinbase is the more beginner-friendly platform of the two and caters best to US customers. Binance is slightly more complex, which makes it more suitable for advanced traders, as long as they're not from the United States. We hope you've enjoyed today's 2-minute comparison. For a more detailed review on either of the two platforms, make sure to check out the links in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video, leave us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss a review, news update, or the clearest information about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies anywhere.